Yogasan word yoga means union. Union with Supreme. Yoga means a methodology to reveal the truth. Yoga is the science to be in here and now. Yoga means now you are ready not to move into the future. Yoga is pure science, and Yog Guru Patanjali is the greatest name as far as the world of yoga is concerned. There is no other name comparable to Yog Guru Patanjali. For the first time in the history of humanity, this man brought religion to the state of a science no belief is needed. Yoga doesn't say to believe in anything. Yoga says experience. Just like science says experiment, yoga says experience. With Yog Guru Patanjali we can try to know the ultimate laws of being, the laws of self-transformation, the laws of how to die and how to be reborn again, the laws of a new order of being. That is why yoga is called science and not philosophy. Yog Guru Patanjali is an enlightened person like Buddha, like Krishna, like Christ, like Mahavira, Muhammad, Zarathustra, but he is different in one way. Buddha, Krishna, Mahavira, Zarathustra, Muhammad, no one has a scientific attitude, but Yog Guru Patanjali has. If you follow Yog Guru Patanjali, you will come to know that he is as exact as any mathematical formula. Simply do what he says and the result will happen. The result is bound to happen. It is just like 2 plus 2, they become 4. It is just like you heat water up to 100 degrees and it evaporates. No belief is needed. You simply do it and know. It is something to be done and know. Surya Namaskar, Chandra Namaskar, Sarvangasana, Tadasana, Bhujangasana, Mandukasana are commonly known Yogasana to all.